Welcome to Reality Creator Radio behind the scenes. Let's go. You're no longer in Kansas. I just want to tell you that. This is the microphone. This is where the voice comes from. Yeah, my voice. Aha. And this is my computer, one of my computers anyway, and my mixing boards where I actually process the video and stuff, the audio and stuff, and it gives you my reality creative voice. Internet, that's my internet. It's complicated, but it works. It's internet. Um, 3D printing stuff. I've been working on pendants. I've also been printing shelves and a whole bunch of other stuff. But anyway, this is a pendant here that I have been working on. I don't know how it's going to come out or what I'm going to do with it, but that's the pile of stuff that's all of the failed attempts and things. This is like the final product, sort of, but I'm not happy with the paint, so I think I'm going to be back to the drawing board a little bit here, or don't paint it at all. Yep. Okay. So no, move shit back to the microphone. All right. Now, so this is the computer, and I'm working on some reality creator radio shows right now. These are two shows that I'm working on: Black Hole Infinity, which, as you see up there before, see there now, and before was the show. That's the show on crystals that I'm working on. Yeah, I like to do everything at once. What can I tell you? That's the way things seem to happen around here. So I got three things going on at once. I got the two reality creator radio shows and this how-to. Now this is I have to. Everything is really. It's not an easy process because I have to type everything out. Not what I'm going to say, but I mean the blog entries, because a lot of times when I do reality creator radio shows, I do blog entries as well. So that has to all be typed up, and the captions and what I'm going to say. This is the audio software that you see here right now. That's Audacity, and that records the awesome voice that I have. Awesome, right? Anyway, this is the artwork program. I use GIMP. And you can see we're rendering, getting the frames together for the blog and for the Reality Creator Radio Show, the YouTube version and the website version. It's all going to happen at the same time. Yeah, so now let's see what do we got. Oh yeah, this is the web program. So we also got to get the code right for the website. For the when we're going to post this stuff. And as you can see, it's about 10 files up there that I have to edit every time I put something new on the website. So that has to get done as well. Yeah, what I need is a freaking bunch of people that are going to help me do all this work here, huh? Too bad that doggy doesn't have fingers, right? But anyway, she does her own purposes. Okay, this is the video software. Yep, I have to process the video with the audio and to make the YouTube stuff. And so we got that. And yep, as you can see, well, I've see the little fix. Put my finger over there. Yeah, that's a fix that I had to do. I got distracted today. The microphone was making all sorts of weird noises, and I couldn't figure out why. And it was because it was it needed these isolation things in there so that it wouldn't bang and make all sorts of crazy noises from moving around or wind. This is the speech compressor. My reality creator radio voice without the speech compressor, kind of gonna sound like Donald Duck. My voice is loud and soft, and mostly more soft, so it's compressing my voice and boosting it, and that's the mixing board. I don't do too much with the boosting the bass or anything like that. I've been working on my reality creator radio voice, and I'm trying to make that voice permanent part of my life. But it's not easy to overcome years of talking how you talk, but it's working out good, a little at a time. This, as you can see, we're back to the video. All right, so that is Wisdomsdoor, basically, most of it. There's a few other things coming up I'm going to be showing you before we end this video. For some reason, I decided to take pictures of the desk. I have no idea. Anyway, this is the big computer. This is the guy that does, see that big black box on the right? That does all the hard work, the video processing, the audio processing, and I also plays video games too. Gotta have fun, right? So that's what that does. And that thing was a pain in the neck to build. Let me tell you, it had its birthing pains, and it finally got birthed, and it works really good. It does all of the hard work. I call it my Borg cube because it's a cube. Now this is a new addition. This is the pie hole. This little guy here, he empties out all of the ads. They never reach any of my computers on my network because he actually just dumps them into nothingness, down a black hole. And that is absolutely wonderful. I love that little pie hole. It's amazing that it's a little tiny computer. As you can see, it has a screen and keyboard, but you don't actually need to plug any of that in order to make the pie hole work. But it is kind of amazing. It's supposed to be put away somewhere, but right now it's in the midst of the madness that you can see here is on my workstation and workbench. That's my 3D printer, which does all the 3D printing that I'm having lots of fun with and going to try new things with it, like the pendants that I'm working on. But we'll see what happens. I got the new reality creator radio show that explains about the pendants and stuff, so no need to go into that. Anyway, this is the end of, I guess, my video. Thanks for everyone and your support and your memberships. I hope this video helps all of you to see a little bit about what goes on behind the doors, the behind the scenes at Wisdomsdoor. Take care.